Hello friends! Today we are going to learn how to create a wooden grain pattern in CorelDraw. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more CorelDraw tutorials. So let's get started. First, draw a rectangle on your canvas. Now change its color according to what's shown in the video and remove the outline. After that, draw another rectangle line. Now slightly drag and extend it forward. To repeat the same step, just like shown in the video. Select all the lines together and move them aside for now. Now lock the background layer, select all the lines again and group them. Then place this grouped shape in the center of the background, just as shown in the video. Next, go to the twirl tool. Click over the design. After that, switch to the right round option and repeat the same steps. Now select all the lines and move them aside, then unlock the background layer. Finally, right-click on the grouped lines and choose Power Clip Inside. Click on the background to place it. And that's it! Your wooden grain pattern is ready! Keep practicing, and if you get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. Keep learning and stay tuned.